Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust the settings on your Zoom meeting as the host. So if you go to host tools here, you can allow participants to either share screen, chat, rename themselves, unmute, start video, etc., etc. For instance, you don't want them to chat, you're going to disable it by pressing on it. If you want to just enable it again, can also lock meeting, hide profile pictures, and enable waiting room here. And that's how you can kind of use the host tools on Zoom. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!